Use a Belkin Wireless G Router as a range booster access point. Have you wished you could expand your computer network at home or at your office without the use of network cables? Well, thanks to the amazing lightning speed of technological discovery, and the brains behind it, you no longer have to buy lengths and lengths of network cables because of the commercial availability of the Belkin Wireless G Router. The Belkin Wireless G Router makes it possible for you and other users to exchange and access files, access the Internet all at the same time, and communicate with each other even from a range of 400 feet, all these without using network cables. If you want to work in an environment where range won't be the issue, the Belkin Wireless G Router is what you'll need. Here's how to use this device as a range booster access point. Set it up. It's better to set up the device where it can be plugged into the nearest electrical socket with ease. It is also important for you to determine your current range so that you can place the device where it needs to feed off that range and boost it to maximum capacity. As mentioned, the range of the Belkin Wireless G Router is 400 feet. Then the next item on the checklist is to turn the device on. Insert the How to Install CD into the computer. The computer for the CD should be the one with the most proximity to the device. Insert the CD into the appropriate slot. Click on the drive with the CD and wait for the installation wizard to pop into the screen. From here it's a simple process of following and clicking the recommended actions for the installation process to be completed. Log on to the Internet and on the browser type in the following numbers/IP address: 192.168.0.1, after which you click on Enter key in your computer. Wait for another page to pop up or appear on screen. You will be asked to enter your preferred username and password on the fields provided. For this purpose you are strongly advised to use the oft-used and generic admin on the specified fields. Once that is done, click on the button that reads Log In. You are now being automatically redirected to the menu screen of the device. Tweak the LAN settings. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Now then, set up the network by copying the IP address on the browser page on the empty text box on the page. Then you must now take an accurate inventory of the computers that should be included in the network. Once you have a number, add 1 to the total. For example, if you have counted 10 as the sum of the computers that you want to connect to the network, you should type in 11. Find and click to enable/disable the following. Find the DHCP server from beneath the IP address in the text box. Disable the radio button by clicking the Turn Off button. Find the Internet one and then enable the link that reads DNS. Next up is for you to go to the Disable Forwarding box and enable the radio box. Proceed to the box that reads Wireless, and from here you are directed to enable the Security button. Delete the IP addresses listed on the Port Forwarding text box. Click Gateway to disable the following applications. Firewall. Yes, you read it right. You are to disable the firewall to allow the newly installed device to gain access to your LAN. Finish the task by clicking on the button marked Apply. Now you have just successfully boosted the range point or reach of the network using the Belkin Wireless G Router without breaking a sweat.